Hello everyone. We are studying the first unit web applications of information technology subject. So today we will be covering session 6, which is using offline blog editors. Okay. So in the previous session we have studied what is a blog, what are the blog editors, and that we have studied the online blog editors. Okay. So suppose if you do not have an internet connection, active internet connection, and you want to create a blog using the blog application, and but when you have to publish it, then you need the internet connection obviously. So suppose at that moment you don't have, so you can just write your blog, and whenever the internet connection is available, then we can just post it. Okay, so there are several offline blog editors like Kumana, Windows Live Writer and Blog Desk. Okay, so these are just a few, there are many. You can search on the internet and you will find many. So now in this session, they have just covered Kumana. They are just telling us how to work with Kumana, and in the similar way we can work with all the other blog editors. Okay. So now in this exercise, what you will learn is the offline blog editor. Okay, it is free to download. You can just simply download it from www.kumana.com, and then you have to install it. After installing, if the shortcut icon is present on the desktop, then simply you can double click, or you can just type in the search bar. Also you can go in the start programs menu and find it. Okay, so when you will just open your Kumana application, what will happen, you'll find this type of window. Okay, now this is the bar where you have to type your existing address. Okay, first of all you need existing blog account. You cannot work on this until unless you have an account. So first of all you should have a blog account. Okay, in any of the blog editors you should have your account. So now last time we have studied how to create the account using WordPress. So the same account we are using here. Okay, so the WordPress account will be using with Kumana, and then what happens is ki whatever your WordPress blog address is there, okay, that address we will type over here in this bar. Okay, so after typing this, click next, a login window appears, and then you have to provide your details. Okay, the WordPress account details you have to type, your username and your password and all that. Okay, then you just click next and then finish. Okay, so now the when you will click on finish, this type of window will appear. Okay, and here you can see if any posts are already available, then automatically it will be downloaded from the WordPress account and it will be displayed over here. And if there are no posts, then nothing will be displayed. Okay, now suppose you want to create a new post, then here is the option, this yellow one. You will click on this new post. Okay, so when you will click on new post, what will happen, this type of window will come. Here you can write the title, whatever title of the blog you want to write, as we have discussed earlier also, like you have to give review of any mobile or any camera, or you want to discuss something about annual function of the school or anything, so that you can do over here. Title, whatever content you have to write, you write the content, and then go ahead and click on this publish post. Now publish post, you once you have clicked it, but it will not be available online until unless internet connection is available. Okay, so though you have clicked publish, but whenever the internet connection will be available, then only you will be able to see the content online. Okay, so it will automatically get updated on your WordPress blog. Why only WordPress? Because we are in the starting we have used the address of the WordPress, the account details and all. So whatever online details account you will just account details you will enter there, so it will be connected to that. Then if you want to view the published content, then what you have to do is you have to just open the web browser, and the blog address that was there, that you have to type. And suppose you have not included the pictures earlier, then you can do that by clicking this icon over here, image icon. So when you will click image, then what will happen is this type of window will appear. Okay, and in this window what will happen is, here you can click on browse. So when you will click on browse the pictures that are available in your computer system, the window will open, and then you can click whatever image you want to select, and then you can align the images right, none, right, left, top, bottom, and then you will go ahead and click upload and insert. Okay, so after that what will happen, the image will be inserted, and then you can just go ahead and click on the publish post. Okay, now if you want to view the published content along with the picture, then again you have to open the browser and type your blog address, and then the content along with the picture will be available. Okay, so this is the step to work on one of the offline blog editing software. Similarly, you can try the other. So this is your activity that you have to just download and try the different blog editors, offline blog editors. Okay, and these are the questions, two questions they have given, like purpose of, what is the purpose, and what is, list any five. So you can just do these questions, and if any problem, then you can ask. Okay, thank you.